In my previous video, I had destroyed the USB 3 connector on the case. I had connected to the motherboard, it was fine, but I wanted to swap it because I have another device that uses one of those connectors. This motherboard does have two of them. I just thought it would be a better setup with cable routing. Anyways, but the motherboard is fine, thankfully. I've built more of the computer out. I do have another heatsink that I'm going to be swapping this for, but I'm probably going to do some tests on this smaller heatsink compared to the larger one to see if there is a difference. It's going to take a while. So the negative is that currently the case USB 3 port is not going to work unless I get a replacement. Be careful with that stuff, and I do think it was this cheap Fractal focus case connector. So there is a very visible physical difference between two connectors, and I have taken out and put back in the one for this add-in device, and it's fine. It's thankfully, again, that the motherboard seems to be fine because I tried it out and it works. So awesome. But yeah, be very careful with these USB 3 motherboard header connectors, especially on cheap cases. The most exciting thing for me right now is this, because it worked. It was 145 megabytes a second transfer speed on the one UHS-II card that I have. But awesome, I've never seen it go that fast on any of my external USB SD card readers. The trials and tribulations so far. Hope you enjoyed this video. It's kind of tech, I suppose. See ya.